equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your HP AIO 27CB and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, carefully remove the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you can now access the internal components. If you notice any dust or debris, use the microfiber cloth to clean the area gently. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating, which is often a cause of screen issues. Now, let's check the connections to the display. Locate the display cable and ensure it is securely connected to the motherboard. If it appears loose, gently reattach it. This simple step can often resolve display problems. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can handle the repairs for you, so you don't have to worry about a thing. After checking the connections, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the back panel back onto the unit, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the panel in place. Make sure not to over-tighten the screws, as this can cause damage. Once everything is back in place, plug your HP AIO 27CB back in and power it on. Check if the screen issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it may be a sign of a more serious issue that requires professional attention. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. No calls, no travel, just a simple, straightforward service that comes to you. In summary, fixing screen issues on your HP AIO 27CB can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. However, if you encounter any difficulties or if the problem continues, don't hesitate to reach out for our expert help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.